that's something that, I've got anything Hannah to see.
I liked it.
You'll have 4 more by the end of the year.
Okay. That's like over 250. I need to work out how to set this thing up then. But.
Hi, my name's Caroline and I'm working for Bras for Mums at the moment. We've just had our first meeting with a client. Basically, Bras for Mums are a local business based in Chorley, Lancashire, and the client's name is TJ and she specialises in nursing and maternity bras. She's saying at the moment that her problem is that she hasn't got a specific PR plan in place, and she does most of her business online and she feels like she needs to be more involved in online communities. We really need to help her to push web sales, and she's also mentioned that she's involved in the baby shows across the country as well. Next month she's going to one in Earls Court in London, and we've decided that we're going to go down, basically get some market research, learn a lot about our customers and see if there's anything that we can then implement in the future to improve these baby shows. That's going to be one of the first actions that we do. She's also saying that she's struggling at the moment with her online presence. She's using Facebook and she's using Twitter, but she's quite unsure of herself at the moment, and she needs to work with us to get some tips of how to communicate more effectively, we feel, online. And also with print media as well. At the moment we feel that some opportunities are being missed. If something comes up, she'll take it, but she's not actively seeking to be involved with the press, and therefore not that many people know about her. There's just people in the northwest, and we'd like our presence at the baby shows basically to create awareness of Bras for Mums and the fact that not only do they offer maternity and nursing wear, but they do a home fitting service, so they're actually quite unique compared to other bra sellers, and that's something that we really want to push over the next year whilst we're working with her. Like I said, she offers a home fitting service, which is something that we really want to push. So we have had the idea to create a promotional video, which is something that she's not done or thought about doing at the moment, and the client really likes this idea. We've also got access to directors amongst ourselves, and we've all done a bit of script writing and things like that, so we think it was something quite fun and quite challenging to do. And then she can put that on her website, and we've also thought about taking the video and running it at the baby shows as well, for it to be something a bit different on the stand, because at the moment she's competing with like Huggies and Pampers and massive stands that have access to TV screens and gimmicks like that, so we thought that it'd be something that could make her stand out. Like I said, these are just ideas at the moment. We're also working on developing her media list because it's quite large at the moment. We feel like she's not using it the best way that she should be, and that we should be targeting very specific publications, so we're going to look into that for her. Basically, it's all up in the air. There's a lot of ideas, but we're going to put it forward to her in December and just see what she thinks would be the best way forward for the coming year.